Tired of wobbly woodworking projects? Discover the secret to flawless joinery. Imagine perfectly aligned cuts every single time. No more frustrating misalignments. Introducing the revolutionary self-adjusting clamp, your new best friend in the workshop. It automatically adapts to any angle, ensuring rock-solid connections effortlessly. Say goodbye to complicated setups and hello to streamlined woodworking. Ready to transform your projects? Let's dive into the amazing features. First, the clamp's intuitive design allows for one-handed operation. How convenient. The secret? Its pivoting head conforms to any shape, providing even pressure. No more struggling with multiple clamps for complex joints. This is a game changer. The non-marring pads protect your precious wood from dents and scratches. Imagine the peace of mind knowing your projects are safe and secure. Plus, its durable construction guarantees years of reliable service. Invest wisely. Think of the time you'll save. More projects, less hassle. What's not to love? The self-adjusting clamp boosts your efficiency and elevates your craftsmanship. Feel the satisfaction of creating flawless pieces every single time. It's rewarding. Join thousands of happy woodworkers who've already made the switch. Be one of them. Imagine the possibilities. From simple repairs to intricate designs, unleash your creativity. Don't just take our word for it. See the difference for yourself. You deserve it. Ready to experience the future of woodworking? It's time to take action. Click the link below to get your self-adjusting clamp today. Limited stock available. Don't miss out on this opportunity to revolutionize your woodworking. Act fast. Join our community and share your amazing creations. We can't wait to see them. Thank you for watching. Happy woodworking, and we'll see you in the next video. Transform your woodworking today. Get your self-adjusting clamp and build something amazing.